Hi everyone. For my biggest challenge, I think that it's going to go along with ISTE E2B, which is contribute to the planning, development, communication, implementation, and evaluation of technology-infused strategic plans at the district and school levels. So my district does a pretty good job of getting us technology. We just launched a one-to-one plan at the middle schools and high schools, and those devices they get to take home were one-to-one, second through fifth for sure in the district. K1, if we're not one-to-one right now, we have some new devices that are on their way and should be here probably after Christmas. So we'll be one-to-one K through 12 by the end of January. We have plenty of technology. The problem has always been they give us the technology and then say, here you go, figure it out. Which for me, that's not a problem. I'd have no trouble figuring out how to use it, but there's a lot of teachers in our district that have no idea what to do with the technology that we've been given. Training is a big problem. And I'm on the district technology committee, so you'd think that it would be easy to say, okay, we need to train teachers, let's get it figured out. But I mean, this is my third year on the district committee, and we've been saying for at least 3 years we need to figure out how we're going to train teachers, and it still hasn't happened. I mean, and right now we're on our third technology director since I've been on this committee, so everyone comes in and it's hard to figure out, okay, now what does this new person want? How are they going to help us get people trained? The newest director, it does seem like he's maybe more willing to listen to the people on the committee, and hopefully we'll get something figured out, but I'm going to reserve judgment on that until things actually start to happen. And it's hard when people keep changing positions and keep moving around. But in the building level, it's a little easier. We can say, okay, we're going to do this and we're going to do that and we're going to do this. But as a whole district, it's definitely been a struggle as to how to get people on the same page and actually roll training out. It doesn't help right now that our whole district is participating in the redesign program that Kansas is doing now. So we've got the high school and my school have been doing this for about a year and a half now, but now the rest of the district is on board, and they've been given the opportunity to make their own plans not based on what my building has done. So now they're saying, okay, well, what if we don't want to do what this building has done, and what if we don't want to do what that building has done? And it's really hard to get everyone on the same page and trained, I guess. Hopefully, with our new technology director, we can come up with some sort of plan as to how to actually train people, how to effectively integrate all this technology that we have into their courses and help our kids get some sort of advantage with technology, because our kids come from really disadvantaged backgrounds. So hopefully the committee that I'm on, we get our butts in gear and get something accomplished with our new director. Thanks.